The medical field continues to make major breakthroughs.
A patient appears to have been cured of HIV.
Health professionals have cured 2 HIV patients of the virus. Despite the advances, Bexar County struggles to bring the number of patients testing positive down.
We have about 360 cases a year, give or take, I'm going to say 15 in either direction, whereas nationally the numbers are going down.
It's a reality Mary Helen Gloria guides people through when they walk through her office at Mujeres Unidas.
Oh, baby.
A mission she took on after she lost her husband of 5 years to AIDS.
And I don't think it hit me that I was positive until he died. He died in 1995. And that's when I said, oh, Lord, I could die too.
She never thought to get tested for HIV during her relationship.
And I never had any symptoms. We thought it was a gay disease.
In 1994, when she tested positive for HIV, AIDS ramped up and became the leading cause of death for Americans between 25 and 44 years old.
At one point, I was taking 18 pills.
But that has since changed with medical advances.
We have the technology to stop HIV, right? There's a daily safe, effective pill to take if you don't have HIV to prevent getting it. And if you do acquire HIV, we know that if you take the medicines, you can become what we call virally suppressed, but it means the virus is controlled in 1 to 2 months.
However, in a 2017 report, San Antonio saw a surge of HIV cases. The CDC reported 16 HIV clusters in Texas, 6 of those in San Antonio. Bexar County ranks 3rd in the state for HIV and AIDS diagnosis, and more than 6,000 people with HIV live in the county. By the end of 2017, San Antonio officials committed to ending HIV by 2030, and the city and the county by joining the Fast Track Cities initiative.
The initiative is about making sure that everybody who has HIV gets tested, or at least 90%, and people who have been tested and diagnosed with HIV get linked into care, and then people who are linked into care stay in care, 90% for each of those.
Impacts, again, are coming, and we've made progress. Again, the available treatment and the community outreach is fairly significant now. We even have City Council, for instance, weighing in on different challenges in our community to make sure that as many people as possible are tested.
Since committing to end HIV, San Antonio went from 1 location that offers PrEP to 15 providers at 18 locations. Getting into care dropped from 32 days to about 14 days. Junda Wu with Mesro Health says implementing Rapid Start will make a greater impact.
Rapid Start means that I am diagnosed with HIV this morning, and this afternoon I'm in my doctor's office taking my first pill.
We're almost done.
Many challenges lie ahead, including ending the stigma.
You tell someone that you have cancer, and it's all, oh, I'm so sorry, the compassion comes out and everything. You tell someone you have HIV, it's like, it's a fear in their eyes when you know, they don't want to hug you, they don't want to touch you, and it's crazy. You know, you're not going to get it like that.
She believes ending the HIV stigma and educating people is key to getting more people in to get tested.
I tell my friends, get checked every 6 months, if not sooner. Check yourself. You never know. You never know.
She says not a day goes by that she doesn't miss her husband.
And he always used to say, we're going to beat this, we're going to beat this. And that's why I think I'm still here, because I promised him that I was going to fight for him.
His encouragement keeps her strong.
This August coming up will be 25 years. By the grace of God, I'm still here.
And pushes her to go the extra mile and keep advocating.
Oh my God, I think one time we counted it as like almost 400 or 500 women that have gone through our doors. I always tell people, get educated, read a book, you know, read about it. Because unfortunately, someday it's going to touch your family. I don't wish it, but it might touch your family, and how do you think they're going to feel?
You ready? You okay with blood draws?
Addie Guajardo, KENS 5, Eyewitness News.